ప్రస్తుతం భారత ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థ పటిష్టంగా ఉందన్నారు ఆర్బీఐ గవర్నర్ శక్తికాంత దాస్. ముంబైలో జరిగిన ఐబీఏ వార్షిక బ్యాంకింగ్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో ఆయన పాల్గొన్నారు. భారత్ 2024-25 ఎకనామిక్ ఇయర్ వృద్ధి రేటు 7.2% ఉంటుందన్నారు. ఐఎంఎఫ్, ప్రపంచ బ్యాంక్ కూడా భారత వృద్ధి 7% పేర్కొన్నాయన్నారు. ద్రవ్యోల్బణం కట్టడికి ఆర్బీఐ అన్ని చర్యలు తీసుకుంటుందన్నారు శక్తికాంత దాస్.
Unique in its own way. The Indian economy is now at a critical juncture. Massive changes are taking shape in various economic sectors and markets, and the country is geared for orbital shifts. Our nation's journey towards becoming an advanced economy is drawing strength from a unique blend of factors, and these factors would include a young and a dynamic population, a resilient and diverse economy, robust democracy, and a rich tradition of entrepreneurship and innovation. In this background, I have chosen to speak on the topic India at an inflection point, some thoughts. I have structured my talk under 4 major themes. First, I would like to speak on India's growth prospects and the approach we need to follow going forward. Second, I would like to dwell upon recent developments in inflation and monetary policy. Third, I propose to highlight certain issues relating to strengthening of our financial sector. And finally, I would spell out certain expectations from the financial sector. Let me first touch upon the growth prospects of India. Much has been talked about it, much has been discussed about it. Various authorities have been giving out various numbers. So it is necessary to cut out the noise and to sort of exactly analyze where India's growth story stands and what is the outlook forward. The Indian economy, as all of you would know, rebounded strongly from the COVID-19 induced contraction, growing at an impressive annual average of 8.3% in the last 3 years. For the current financial year, the Reserve Bank has projected a growth rate of 7.2%. The IMF has also projected India's growth prospect. They have in fact revised their growth projection for India upwards.